The Holy See's top representative at the United Nations calls on world leaders to respect the dignity of every human person, including migrants. It's one of the many issues Catholic leaders are praying for tonight ahead of the annual UN General Assembly. Correspondent Wyatt Goolsby joins us from New York City outside the very church where they're meeting. Good evening, Wyatt.
Good evening, Jason. Archbishop Bernardito Alza, the Holy See's ambassador, is welcoming high-ranking officials here to the Church of the Holy Family. The plight of migrants and refugees is one issue they're praying for, but also the lack of basic needs around the world, like clean water and medicine. Father Gerald Murray, the pastor, tells me these are fundamental issues for the church.
Crises should not, first of all, be looked at as simply political matters for solution, but humanitarian disasters that require aid. So the humanitarian efforts of the church, very vibrant, very well appreciated. They need to be highlighted because the church is giving a message through that, which is the children of God should love and respect each other, and the church is there to try to guarantee their rights when they're threatened.
Father Murray tells me it's vital the church encourages people of faith, Catholics and non-Catholics, to come together to pray for solutions to global challenges. Every year, his church hosts the ecumenical prayer service, as it is the closest Catholic church to the United Nations. Officially, the 73rd Annual General Assembly kicks off tomorrow, but many heads of state, including President Donald Trump, will be delivering their speeches next week. The General Assembly is the main deliberating and policy-making wing of the UN, in which all member states have equal representation. Jason?
Wyatt, I understand the United States and Russia are clashing over UN sanctions against North Korea. What's the latest on that?
Well, Jason, the U.S. Ambassador Nikki Haley is accusing Russia of violating UN sanctions. Her and Russia's envoy traded accusations today during a Security Council meeting. Haley says the Russians are blocking the release of a report which supposedly shows they are transferring petroleum products to North Korea. Jason?
Correspondent Wyatt Goolsby reporting from New York City. Thanks, Wyatt.